what we call refractive errors is a generic term for the way where light is focused in an area that's not on the retina. And this can be a very complex and overwhelming topic. And it's something that to go into all the details would be beyond the scope of this webinar. But it can be broken down into a few main forms of refractive error. Myopia is where another term for nearsightedness, and that involves light being reflected in front of the retina. That involves the eye being too long or the cornea being too steep. Hyperopia is different, where the focal point of light is behind the retina, and that has to do with the eye being too short or the cornea too flat. And what we see with hyperopia or farsighted people is they have no focal point at where they have a clear image. And so these people need glasses for all their activities, in contrast to myopia, where they have a focal point at some point in the front of them where they can see clearly, whether it's an inch in front of them or 2 feet in front of them. There is a focal point where it's clear, versus hyperopia where there is not a clear focus point. And then astigmatism is another common problem where the cornea is shaped like a football, where it is longer or in one direction than another. It can also happen if the eye is too long. And this leads to multiple focal points on the retina, which creates a clear and indistinct image.